Ever been ready for round two, but nothing happens? You're not alone. Struggling to get a hard penis for a second time is more common than you think, but no one talks about it. Let's face it, it's frustrating. You have an amazing first round and just when you're ready to go again, nothing. It's confusing, it's embarrassing, and worst of all, it leaves you feeling like something's wrong. This gap between your first and second erection is known as the sexual refractory period. It's a natural recovery phase when your body resets before being able to get hard again. During this time, your body is rebalancing hormones, restoring energy, and preparing for the possibility of another round. Let's break it down. When you're younger, your sexual function is at its peak. Your body is producing high levels of testosterone and your blood flow is strong, allowing you to achieve multiple erections in a short period. Your refractory period is naturally shorter, sometimes just a few minutes. But as you age, things start to change. Testosterone levels begin to decline gradually, which affects your libido and your ability to get a hard penis quickly after the first round. Your body also takes longer to recover, and blood circulation may not be as efficient as it once was. Then there's lifestyle choices. Poor diet, lack of exercise, smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption all contribute to longer refractory periods. If you're not fueling your body with the right nutrients, your energy levels will be low and blood circulation will be poor. This directly impacts your sexual performance. For example, foods high in saturated fats and sugar can clog your arteries, reducing blood flow to your penis. Without proper blood flow, it's impossible to get hard, let alone go for a second round. Your mental state is another critical factor. Anxiety, performance pressure, and negative thoughts can sabotage your ability to get a hard penis for a second time. When you're worried about not being able to perform, your body responds to that stress by releasing adrenaline, which constricts blood vessels and makes it even harder to achieve an erection. It becomes a vicious cycle. The more you worry, the worse it gets. Managing your stress levels is equally important. Practicing deep breathing techniques, mindfulness, and even meditation can help lower cortisol levels, allowing your body to relax and reset faster. Reducing stress not only improves your refractory period, but also boosts your overall sexual performance. Foods like leafy greens, berries, nuts, and fish are excellent for promoting better blood flow and supporting testosterone production. On the other hand, avoiding processed foods, excessive sugar, and alcohol can prevent blood vessel constriction and hormonal imbalances. Another method is mental conditioning. Practicing positive visualization and reframing negative thoughts can help you overcome performance anxiety. The mind is powerful, and by changing how you think about sex, you can break the cycle of stress and anxiety that's holding you back. If these lifestyle changes aren't enough, there are also physical techniques you can use during sexual activity to stimulate your body's natural response. For example, massaging the perineum, the area between the scrotum and the anus, can increase blood flow to the penis, helping you get hard again faster. You need to apply gentle vertical pressure using 2 fingers just before the point of no return, that moment before ejaculation when it feels like there's no turning back. This technique can lead to a dry orgasm, allowing you to continue the sexual act without losing your erection. If you're still struggling, it might be worth exploring hormone therapy. Consult with a healthcare professional to check your testosterone levels and determine if hormone replacement therapy could be beneficial. Sometimes, a simple hormone adjustment can make a world of difference. Lastly, remember that communication with your partner is key. Being open about your concerns can relieve performance pressure and help you feel more comfortable. This emotional support can make it easier to relax, reducing anxiety, and improving your ability to get a hard penis for a second time. In conclusion, struggling to get hard for a second time is a common issue that many men face. It's not just about age, it's about understanding your body, managing stress, making healthy lifestyle choices, and using the right techniques to support your sexual health. You don't have to settle for one round. With the right knowledge and methods, you can enjoy a satisfying and fulfilling sex life. The problem is simple but incredibly frustrating. You can't get a hard penis for a second time. When you can't go for that second round, it's easy to feel insecure. You start wondering if something's wrong with you. You worry about disappointing your partner. And the worst part, no one talks about it. It feels isolating, and you might even start avoiding intimacy just to escape the embarrassment. But you're not alone, and this problem has real solutions. The first step is understanding why it's happening. So why does this happen? It all comes down to the sexual refractory period. This is the time your body needs to reset after ejaculation before you can get hard again. When you're young, this period is short, sometimes just a few minutes. But as you age, it naturally gets longer. And for some men, it can take hours or even days. But age isn't the only factor. Hormones play a huge role, especially testosterone. Low testosterone levels can make your refractory period longer, reducing your sexual stamina and making it harder to get a hard penis for a second time. Stress is another major culprit. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which messes with your hormones and blood flow, making it even more difficult to perform. Then there's lifestyle, poor diet, lack of exercise, and bad habits like smoking or drinking too much alcohol, all impact your circulation and sexual function. But here's something most men don't realize. Your mindset plays a massive role too. Performance anxiety and negative thoughts can sabotage your body's natural response. When you're worried about not getting hard again, that stress can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Now that you know the reasons behind the problem, let's talk about how to fix it. The first method is all about enhancing blood flow, and one of the most effective ways to do this is by exercising regularly. Cardio workouts like running, swimming, or even brisk walking improve circulation, ensuring more blood flows to your penis when you need it. Strength training, especially exercises that target the pelvic area, can also help by strengthening the muscles involved in achieving and maintaining an erection. Another powerful method is to manage your stress levels. Practicing deep breathing techniques and mindfulness can lower cortisol levels, reducing anxiety and helping you relax, which is essential for a strong erection. And if you're looking for something more direct, there are strategic techniques to stimulate the penis and shorten the refractory period. One of these methods is massaging the perineum, the area between the scrotum and the anus. Applying gentle pressure here can increase blood flow to the penis, helping you get hard again faster. But remember, technique matters. You need to use 2 fingers and apply vertical pressure just before the point of no return, that moment before ejaculation when it feels like there's no turning back. Done correctly, this can lead to a dry orgasm, allowing you to continue the sexual act without losing your erection. Struggling to get a hard penis for a second time can feel frustrating and embarrassing, but it's a completely normal issue that many men face. It's not about your masculinity or performance, it's about how your body resets after ejaculation. The sexual refractory period varies from man to man, and it's influenced by age, hormone levels, stress, lifestyle choices, and even your mindset. But the good news is that you can shorten this recovery time by understanding the root causes and using effective methods to counter them. Exercise regularly to improve blood flow, practice deep breathing to reduce stress, and learn techniques like perineum massage to stimulate your body's natural response. By making these changes, you can regain control over your sexual performance and feel confident again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and solutions.